From which country's constitution is parliamentary system adopted? Answer: United Kingdom. Who was the first woman to be awarded the Bharat Ratna? Answer: Srimati Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. To whom did the splendid Peacock Throne originally belong? Shah Jahan. Who was the first Education Minister of Free India? Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. What was the previous name of Agra? It was Akbarabad. Who founded Kolkata? Job Charnock. What was the name of the famous horse of Rana Pratap? It was Chetak. Who founded Amritsar? Guru Ram Das. Who was the first Indian Governor General? C. Raja Gopalachari. In which place did Gandhiji try his first expedition in Satyagraha in India? It's Champaran. Which ruler of India was the first to prohibit sati? Answer: Akbar. Who took away Kohinoor diamond from India? Answer: Nadir Shah. Which was the first purely Indian bank? Answer: Punjab National Bank. Who brought the first rose plant to India? It was Babar. Who among the Mughal emperors was a perfect player of Veena? Aurangzeb. Who was the first president of Muslim League? Salimullah Khan. Karnavati was the former name of which Indian city? Ahmedabad. The state emblem of India is an adaptation from the lion pillar of Ashoka, preserved at which museum? Sarnath Museum. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in his later life joined which religion? Buddhism. Which person from Iran was the chief architect of the Taj Mahal? Isa Khan. Name the lady doctor who worked behind the success of India's first test tube baby. Dr. Indira Hinduja. What was the name of Subhash Chandra Bose's brother who was also a freedom fighter? Sarat Chandra Bose. Where did Jawaharlal Nehru and Gandhiji meet for the first time in 1916? At Lucknow Congress. Which Prime Minister of India was the oldest when he assumed office? Morarji Desai. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative GK questions. Thank you.